everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra and we're going to do makeup for date night. Really excited. I'm not going to do conventional makeup like kind of the way I've been doing it. I'm going to do very light, like hardly anything on the skin. Maybe some concealer, but I'm going to do brows. I'm actually going to start with that, which is so weird, I know. But I feel like I ended up going to karaoke last night, which was Friday. And of course, I didn't film that, but I hardly did any, like I did eyeliner and I just did mascara, like I didn't bother doing lashes, and it just looks so natural, and I actually got tons of compliments on my makeup. So I'm going to try doing that again, but I am going to add some like liner, and I'm also going to add some purple shadow. Maybe just to my lash lines, maybe not all over, but I'll show you guys what I mean. So I'm going to do finish eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, and then I think what I'm going to do is prime my face. I'm going to use my One Size Secure the Sweat. I think this is going to help adhere my makeup because I don't want to use any setting powder. I'm going to try to use mostly cream products other than the liner and the mascara. And I think this is going to really help secure the product without like setting it. And then I'll just do a setting spray on top. I do notice though by the end of the night my makeup is like pretty much gone. You can't really tell that I'm wearing makeup. And I think I'll just do a sparkly gloss because gloss is always like really nice. And I think I'm just gonna see which one I have here. Isn't like this Sandcastle Bling? It's almost got like a purple shift to it. This is the new Jeffree Star, the gloss that I got. It's a really nice gloss. Okay, so I put lip gloss on, and then next I'm going to, like primer's on, I'm going to use my Nars Laguna 3 bronzing cream. This is like, kind of makes my look. Where is my sponge? So I did dampen my sponge. I'm using a different one. This is clean. And I'm just going to put the product in like that. And I'm going to start with my cheeks. Do the sides of my nose, down here, and right here. Okay, and then I know it looks so weird. I'm just going to blend it all in. I really like this because it makes my cheeks look really, really good. Even though it's a bronzer and it's not like a contour, I really like the way it makes my cheeks look. Might have to like set a little bit with powder. I don't know. It's going to like wear off. I just know it. Okay, so then I'm going to add some blush. I'm using the Give Beauty Dewy Plump Collagen Cheek Tint in the shade Bouquet. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm not used to using like liquid and cream products, but I'm really liking how they look once I put them on. A little bit on my nose for fun. I'm going to use a different area of my sponge to blend this out. We might have to touch up the blush after, so I'll just see what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so now I'm going to add the eyeliner. I think I want to start with the Plum. This is the Hourglass waterproof gel eyeliner in Chestnut, and then I'm going to add the purple colors. Okay, so those are lined. I did the waterline on the top and bottom. Maybe I won't bother using any purple shadow because the only colors I have, I've got these Annabelle colors, and I really like this color, but it doesn't go on very well. It kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of waxy. It's from the drugstore. It's just not very good. And then the other purple is a Morphe one, and it's Faith, and it's like a completely different purple than what I put on. So I'll just go into my palette. I'm going to use the Roxxa palette by Natasha Denona. And actually, before we do that, I need to apply some concealer. Just a tiny touch, because you know, I want to cover up a little bit of the under eye. So I'm just dabbing it in just a touch. I always like to do it after I put on the eyeliner, because then it doesn't get in the way and it doesn't smudge the concealer. And I do like using concealer because you can touch up your face. Like you can touch up things just a little bit at a time and it doesn't look weird. Like you don't have to use foundation, which is kind of nice. I've got I actually added a double espresso shot in here. This is from yesterday. I didn't drink it, but it's going to keep me awake all night. Okay, so I think I like the shade Concord. That's this one down here. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to take a small pencil brush. If I can find a small pencil brush. Here we go. Okay, this one currently has color on it, so I'm going to find my Sigma switch. You go like this, and it cleans off the current product. Oh, my kids are fighting with my mom, I think. I'm going to take a little bit of setting spray, and I'm going to spray the brush. And I'm going to dip it in that shade, Concord. And it's going to make like a really pretty sparkly color that I can smoosh into the lower lash line. Kind of want to do the upper lash line too. And do like a smudged upper lash line instead of like almost like a liner. I don't know, I haven't done that. Let's see what that would look like. That's kind of pretty. Normally you would use a liner brush with this, but okay, now I'm going to add it to the lower lash line. We're going to blend out that dark liner. I feel like I should add like purple sparkles to the rest of my eye. I don't know. Maybe not purple sparkles, but like any type of sparkles. I just feel like I need to add like shadow to my eyes. Like they feel so naked. Okay, so I'm going to take a slightly different brush now. Put more of that purple sparkle on, a dry brush, and then blend the lower lash line out a bit. I just added a little bit of pink sparkle on top. So now I'm going to wipe away any fallout. I think that shadow is going to stick to that concealer. I'm going to add a little bit of powder, just like a little bit. Maybe the Makeup by Mario. This stuff does have a nice blurring effect. Okay, and then we're going to pile on mascara. So I'll be right back and I'll show you what the finished look looks like. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Exxagerized. I'll be right back. I'm going to take a little bit of my Hollywood Flawless filter. I haven't used this in a long time. I have the shade 4 medium. I'm going to add some here. And this isn't, oh, whoops. This is definitely not like a crazy highlight. Like it just gives like a natural highlight. So it's not going to give you like that really gleaming glow kind of look. So if you want that, you're going to have to use a different type of highlighter. But this will kind of help to give your skin like a nice glow. Okay, and then we're going to set everything with some setting spray. And I'm going to take my fan. I love this thing. My earring wasn't sitting right there. All right, you guys, so that is it for this look. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. And it doesn't take a lot to take off at the end of the night. That's like one of the things about doing makeup all the time and having to take it off, like especially if you use waterproof like mascara or eyeliner. It really sucks sometimes. So thank you guys so much for watching this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, click on that bell button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. You